what looks beautiful but doesn't actually work. There's a lot.
Yeah.
But like there's something that comes up to your mind right now. Oh my God.
Okay, so one of the things I think that actually looks really beautiful is pulling hardwood into a master bathroom. And that's very unusual for a lot of American clients. You see this in Europe a lot more often. People find that an unusual thing to do in this country because people spill water in a bathroom, but I'm not sure how many times I go into a bathroom and splash water around too much. Unless it's a children's bathroom, then I would do a stone floor. But if it's a master bathroom, I think it would be nice to walk on a hardwood floor in a bathroom.
We were speaking with
That's
a client today about
yes.
this. Yes.
Yeah, and he sort of hummed and hawed about it. He sort of played it in his head. I said I was just in Paris and I saw a beautiful wood floor, an old wood floor in a bathroom, and it made the bathroom feel so much warmer. It was unexpected, but really, really nice.